In this video, we will study the another type of the separation technique, that is chromatography. Chromatography, the word chroma means color in the Greek language and the graphy means to write. First, it was used to separate the colors, so the name was given. Means this technique was first used to separate the colors from a mixture, so that is why this name is given to this. It is also used for the separation of those solutes that dissolve in the same solvent. Means, suppose if we have the ink. Now we know that ink is a mixture of the dye and the water. So these dyes, they are the solutes and they are dissolved in the same solvent, that is water. So it is used for the separation of those solutes that dissolve in the same solvent. Other uses, mostly it is used to separate the colors from a dye. Like ink, it is a mixture of two or more colors and these colors are dissolved in the same solvent, that is water. Now in this technique, now in our 9th class we have the technique, that is paper chromatography. So in this technique, two phases are present. The first phase is the stationary phase, and that stationary phase is comprises of a paper, and the second phase is the mobile phase, which is of the solvent. Now what is the method? So first of all, we have to take a strip of filter paper. Now this is a strip of the filter paper we have to take. Now we have to draw a line on it approximately 3 cm above from the lower edge. So this is the line which is approximately 3 cm from this lower edge of the filter paper. Then we will put a small drop of the ink at the center of the line. So we have to put a small drop of ink at the center of this line. This is the third step, and we will allow it to dry. Now what we will do? Now we will lower this filter paper into a beaker containing water, so that the drop of the ink on the paper is just above the level of water. Now what we will do? We will dip this filter paper into the water. Now this drop of the ink, it do not touch the water, but only the last edge of this filter paper, it will touch the water. So water rises up on the filter paper. Why water rises? Due to the capillary action, the water rises up in the filter paper, and the colored components which is more soluble in water, it will rise faster, and the colored component which is less soluble in water rises slower, and in this way the colors, they get separated. So this method is known as the chromatography. This method is used to separate the dyes from the ink. Also it is used to separate the different pigments present in the different colors.